Hi and welcome to Blinkbid. Here's a quick start tutorial to get you going on your very first estimate. Go ahead and click New Job on your dashboard. This will open up a window in which you can create your job name, number, and assign the primary contact. Now, if your contact isn't already listed, go ahead and click Add New Contact. Once you've entered all your info, go ahead and click Create. You will now find your new job is open in your estimate window. You'll notice at the top you have options for My Job, Address Book, Reports, and Settings. And in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to notice your name and what personality you are in. Now, we'll talk about personalities in a future tutorial. The next thing you want to do is click the blue plus button. Clicking this button will reveal your item catalog. Here, you can go through your catalog and add the items for your shoot. Now, this is where you can visualize your shoot and add all the items that you're going to need to build to your client. If you don't see an item you need, you can add it by scrolling down to the bottom and finding Click for More Items. This will open a new screen to allow you to add what you need. We'll cover that in more detail in another tutorial. Go ahead and close out of the catalog by clicking the X button. Now, it's time to add prices, but you can also edit the title of each item. For example, click on any of the items and it'll open up to allow you to make the necessary adjustments. To add prices, click on each item. You have options to add the quantity, the time, and the type of time and price, or you can just add the price. The options you use are completely up to you. And of course, after each price is added, go ahead and hit Enter or Save. Go ahead and do this with each catalog item that you've entered. Once you've entered all your prices, go ahead and click on the bottom bar, and as you can see here, you see a nice summary of your estimate thus far. A cool feature about creating an estimate is you can create multiple revisions pending various options that you may or may not need to build to your client. To create a different revision of this estimate, go ahead and click the Estimate Revision button here and click Create. For example, I'm going to go ahead and delete the weather delays. Now I can go back and see my previous saved revisions by clicking on the previous revision and then clicking Activate. Once you're in the revision you want, click on what I call the hamburger and select Print Estimate. You can select the options for your estimate, such as whether you want it itemized, your terms and conditions, and talent fees. Choose whether or not those fees are billed to you or your client. Finally, you can choose to print your logo. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the Print button. In the next video, we're going to show you how to prep an advanced invoice.